Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to test touchscreen on Samsung M35 device. Well, touchscreen tests can help determine if the touchscreen requires calibration to ensure optimal performance. Calibrating the touchscreen can improve accuracy and responsiveness, leading to a better user experience. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, open the dialing application on your device and enter the following code. Okay, this code allows you to access a diagnostic menu to check the functionality of your device display and touchscreen. So, to check the LCD display, tap on the three primary colors at the top of the screen one by one. Starting with red, if you don't observe any black dots and the entire screen appears in red, it indicates that your screen is in good condition. Tap on the screen to exit and proceed to the next color, green. Repeat the process for green and blue colors, ensuring that the screen displays the respective colors without any issues. So for touchscreen testing, select the touch option and draw according to the pattern displayed on the screen. If there is a box that doesn't change color as you interact with it, it indicates a potential problem with that specific area of the touchscreen. This diagnostic test help assess the display and touchscreen functionality of your device for any potential issues. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to test touchscreen on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.